If official #1 fan retro typewriter t-shirt or a devoted wordsmith, a lover of vintage aesthetics, or someone who finds solace in the rhythmic click-clank of mechanical keys, the official #1 fan retro typewriter t-shirt is designed specifically for you. This exclusive apparel piece seamlessly blends nostalgia with contemporary street fashion, making it an absolute must-have for authors, poets, and retro enthusiasts alike. The striking graphic features a beautifully detailed, classic typewriter that serves as a proud badge of honor for anyone who appreciates the timeless art of storytelling. Whether you are drafting your next great novel at a local coffee shop or simply want to showcase your passion for the literary world, this t-shirt makes a bold, creative statement that effortlessly sets you apart from the crowd. Official #1 fan retro typewriter t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Show off your fandom in style with our retro typewriter t-shirt. Perfect for number